the Breville BES870XL Barista Express espresso machine delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home, utilizing a 4-keys formula to ensure high-quality espresso. It combines an integrated conical burr grinder and precise digital temperature control (PID) to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. With dose control grinding, optimal water pressure, and manual microfoam milk texturing, it offers a cafe-style experience. The machine also includes accessories like a stainless steel milk jug, tamper, portafilter, and filter baskets, making it a complete espresso solution for coffee lovers. Users love the Breville BES870XL for its built-in grinder and easy-to-use features that provide full control over grind size and shot strength, making it ideal for home baristas. The integrated grinder ensures fresh grounds for every shot, while the digital temperature control ensures perfect espresso extraction. The manual steam wand offers excellent milk frothing for cappuccinos and lattes, allowing users to create coffee art at home. Additionally, the machine's sturdy stainless steel design and compact size make it a great fit for any kitchen countertop. The included accessories add great value, providing everything you need to get started. While the Breville BES870XL is a favorite for its performance, some users noted that it has a learning curve, especially for beginners who are new to manual espresso machines. A few customers mentioned that cleaning the machine can be time-consuming, particularly after frothing milk. Additionally, the built-in grinder, though effective, can be noisy during use. Lastly, the price point may be higher than entry-level machines, but the features and quality justify the cost for coffee enthusiasts. The Breville Barista Express is an excellent choice for anyone looking to make cafe-quality espresso at home. Its built-in grinder, precise temperature control, and manual milk frothing capabilities make it ideal for coffee lovers who want full control over their brew. While it may have a learning curve and require regular maintenance, its high performance, durability, and included accessories make it a worthwhile investment for espresso enthusiasts seeking a premium at-home coffee experience.
If you found this review helpful and want to explore more, don't miss out. Check the product using the link in the description and see it for yourself.